We have Steve here from Smylie One, Steve Smylie. And Steve, just want to ask you a question. Why do you think it's important to have your trucks sanitized?
I think just in general, what you're doing is you're showing your people that this whole situation today is real. It's something they need to be aware of. And I think if we're not aware of it, you can't expect them to be aware of it. So we want to show we have concern for them. We have concern for our customers and employees, along with just in general what's going on in the world. So I think this is a very positive thing to do.
We're doing a high-touch wipe down and then also doing fogging with a virucidal that will continue to lyse pathogens. Doing the whole facility, including the shop. And the parts department. And so as far as on these keyboards, on the phones and everything, that doesn't leave anything that would harm an individual, or it doesn't hurt the electronics?
It's completely user-friendly. It will not hurt the electronics, doesn't hurt pets, it doesn't hurt people. My mask is down, excuse me for that, because I'm speaking into the camera. Okay. Ordinarily, I would have one mask, full face here, and gloves.
Very good.
Okay.
So we've already done the high touch. Now we're just swabbing. Smylie One's doing their part to keep their customers and staff safe. Thanks, Steve and Gary.